Section 144 of the Qanun-E Shahdat introduces a crucial principle for fair trials. Questions asked during cross-examination must be based on reasonable grounds. This means that lawyers cannot simply ask any question that comes to mind. They need to have a valid reason for asking the question. This reason should relate to the facts and issues of the case. The question should be relevant to proving or disproving something important in the case. This section is essential to prevent fishing expeditions where lawyers ask irrelevant or speculative questions without any basis. Such questions can waste the court's time, confuse the issues, and potentially prejudice the judge or jury. For example, in a car accident case, the defendant's lawyer cannot ask the plaintiff about their political views. This is because political views are not relevant to the accident. The requirement of reasonable grounds ensures that cross-examination serves its intended purpose. It should be used to test the accuracy, truthfulness, and completeness of a witness's testimony. It should also be used to elicit relevant facts that support the case of the party conducting the cross-examination. By requiring reasonable grounds, Section 144 helps to maintain the integrity and efficiency of the trial process. It also protects witnesses from being subjected to irrelevant or harassing lines of questioning. Section 145 of the Qanun-E Shahdat addresses situations where a lawyer wants to ask a question during cross-examination, but lacks reasonable grounds to do so. In such cases, the lawyer must first disclose to the court the information they hope to elicit from the witness. This disclosure must be made in good faith. The lawyer must genuinely believe that the answer will be relevant to the case. This section is particularly important when a lawyer suspects that a witness is not being entirely truthful but lacks concrete evidence to support their suspicion. For instance, imagine a witness claiming they saw the defendant at a particular location at a specific time. The defense lawyer might have reason to believe the witness is lying but lacks evidence to directly contradict the witness's statement. In this situation, Section 145 allows the lawyer to put their suspicion to the witness. However, before doing so, the lawyer must inform the court about the information they are seeking and why they believe it to be relevant. The court will then decide whether to allow the question, considering factors like the potential relevance of the information and the risk of prejudice to the opposing party. This process ensures fairness by allowing the opposing party to object to the question. It also allows the judge to assess the question's relevance before it is posed to the witness. Section 146 of the Qanun-E Shahdat addresses the court's responsibility to protect the dignity of individuals involved in legal proceedings. It empowers the court to prevent questions that are indecent, scandalous, or intended to insult or annoy, even if those questions are relevant to the case. The court has the discretion to disallow such questions if it believes they will unnecessarily embarrass or humiliate the witness. This protection is especially important for vulnerable witnesses, such as victims of sexual assault or individuals from marginalized communities. For example, in a case involving alleged sexual harassment, the defendant's lawyer cannot ask the victim questions about their past sexual history or make inappropriate remarks about their attire. Similarly, in a case involving a witness from a minority religious group, the opposing lawyer cannot ask questions that are disrespectful to their religious beliefs or practices. Section 146 ensures that the courtroom remains a place where the pursuit of justice does not come at the cost of human dignity. It acknowledges that while cross-examination is a crucial part of the adversarial system, it should not be used as a tool to harass, humiliate, or intimidate witnesses.